Hey guys, it's Waterblock. Today I'm going to be solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I just picked it up from the store. I didn't want to get a good speed cube from Amazon or like cubicle.us because it would take really long, and I just was eager to get a Rubik's Cube in my hands, or 2x2, but I put some lube in it so it makes it a little bit better, even though it is a Rubik's brand. But I'm gonna go mix it up and I'm gonna get ready to solve it. It's mixed up and I'm ready to solve it. 3, 2, 1, go. Solved. That was quite lucky. So that time was quite quick. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.